like that salad. Um, ay, salmon. Salmon. 5. Daming pagkain, guys. Ito yung pinaka-famous na shop ng Haro o sa ano, Yoke. Sarap mamili-mili. Mahal lang. Hindi ko alam anong bibili rin. Laki naman ang paa na to. What's that? Laki ng paa, oh. Dragon fruits, guys. So,
Dragon fruits.
that is dragon fruits. Ay, oh yeah. It's different colors. 15 or 16 pounds per coffee.
What's that?
Coffee. That is the one that you make you make a chocolate cacao. Chocolate, pure chocolate. You have
Is
that
that
one.
cocoa, is it?
Yeah. Cacao. We call that cacao. Ayan. Nuts. Sarap. Daming mabibili dito. Laki ng samo, no? Laki. Ito, laki. Tayo magtingin-tingin ng mga dates. Ayan guys, so dates. Dami.
Oh, I do like to smell it.
Wow. Yung market ng Harrods, guys. Oh, laki ng salmon. Pasta. Sa Harrods. Daming tao. Food court ng Harrods. Oh my God, ang daming tao. Yeah, chicken. Sushi naman yan. What's that, duck? Duck.
Duck, I think.
Ah. Meron din mga veg. Ayun ang name.
What is it?
Baby Lex. Sarap naman yan.